Hello, financial pioneers. Introducing TouchSuite, a merchant and payment processing and POS systems provider. Are you ready to dive into the intricate world of revolutionizing credit management, AI's customer-centric approach? Let me give you a quick overview of what's in store. We'll be exploring the key aspects of the industry, including partnerships with major players like Visa, MasterCard, Discover, Amex, and more. With over 20 years of experience, we've served 50,000-plus merchants, providing 24/7 domestic U.S. support. Join me as we explore the groundbreaking solutions and innovations that promise to empower you in navigating the complexities of credit. But before we start, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Unleashing AI's power in credit management. In a world where credit scores wield unprecedented influence, Adrian Nazari, the CEO of Sesame, recognizes the transformative potential of AI in empowering individuals to navigate the complexities of credit. The significance of credit scores in 2023. Despite the credit score's pivotal role, many Americans remain in the dark about the factors influencing their credit scores and how to enhance them. Evolution of credit monitoring tools. The fintech revolution in the 2010s disrupted this norm, introducing online tools for on-demand score checks and comprehensive credit reports. Yet, with this convenience came a flood of information, leading to cognitive overload and decision paralysis for consumers. Challenges and dissatisfaction in the credit industry. A staggering 75% of financial market grievances in 2022 revolved around credit or consumer reporting, often stemming from inaccuracies on credit reports. Equifax's flawed credit scores and widespread ignorance among Americans about their credit further emphasized the need for change. AI's role in simplifying credit management. AI and machine learning can analyze spending habits, payment histories, and more, providing personalized recommendations to enhance credit scores and overall financial health. Sesame's innovation, Sesame Ring. Sesame introduces Sesame Ring, a revolutionary tool designed to demystify the complex world of credit. This innovative solution distills intricate data into visually compelling formats, offering users a quick overview of their Sesame grade, credit score specifics, and a summarized credit report. Shaping the future of credit with AI. Sesame's AI tools reveal that nearly every customer, irrespective of their credit score, can benefit from personalized advice. AI emerges as a game-changer, offering consumers a distinct advantage in the vast realm of finance, empowering them to achieve their financial goals confidently. In conclusion, the credit industry is undergoing a transformation, thanks to AI. Subscribe now to stay updated on the latest financial innovations. And for a deeper dive into payment solutions, check out TouchSuite's website, trusted by 50,000-plus companies worldwide for over 20 years. Until next time, stay financially savvy.